Understanding erosion in upstream oil and gas installations is crucial for several reasons. Asset integrity and safety. Erosion can lead to equipment failure, leaks, and even catastrophic incidents in industrial installations. This e-learning course equips participants with the knowledge to understand, identify, and mitigate erosion-related threats. This helps prevent accidents and ensures the integrity of critical infrastructure. It contributes directly to operational safety and protecting personnel, the environment, and surrounding communities. Operational efficiency and reliability. Erosion-related damage can lead to equipment failures, unscheduled shutdowns, and production losses. By understanding and managing erosion, operators can improve the reliability of their systems, reduce downtime, and extend the lifespan of crucial equipment, all of which contribute to operational efficiency and cost-effectiveness. Erosion affects pipelines, vessels, valves, and other equipment design and operation. Understanding the mechanisms behind erosion helps engineers and operators make informed decisions about material selection, equipment design, flow management, and maintenance strategies. A course on erosion provides the technical foundation needed to optimize these decisions, leading to better system performance and longevity. Economic impact. Erosion can result in costly repairs, replacements, and production downtime. In addition to direct costs, potential regulatory fines and environmental cleanup expenses can occur in the event of an erosion-induced failure. Effective erosion management helps reduce these financial risks, making it a vital aspect of the overall asset management strategy. Understanding erosion mechanisms allows professionals to implement proactive maintenance and mitigation strategies, reducing the frequency of equipment failures and the need for unplanned repairs. This leads to lower maintenance costs and less operational downtime, critical for industries where uninterrupted production is essential to profitability. Flow assurance. In upstream installations, especially in multiphase flow systems where oil, gas, water, and sometimes solids, for example sand, flow together, erosion can significantly affect flow assurance. In addition to erosion, produced sand can cause blockages, disrupt the flow profile, and reduce pipeline capacity or even complete shutdowns. Understanding erosion helps ensure the smooth transport of hydrocarbons from the reservoir to the processing facilities. This e-learning course on erosion helps participants understand how erosion affects flow rates, pressure, and overall system efficiency. With this knowledge, they can implement measures to ensure continuous, efficient transport of fluids and maintain optimal production rates. Design and material selection. Understanding the factors contributing to erosion, such as fluid velocity, the presence of solids, and the system's geometry, helps optimize the design of pipelines, wellheads, and other equipment. It also plays a critical role in material selection, as certain materials are more resistant to erosive wear than others. This knowledge enables engineers to design more resilient systems to erosive damage, ultimately reducing maintenance and repair costs. Environmental protection. Failures caused by erosion can result in significant environmental damage, such as oil spills or leaks of hazardous materials. Preventing such incidents is essential for minimizing the environmental impact of oil and gas operations, complying with regulations, and maintaining the company's reputation. Regulatory compliance. The oil and gas industry is subject to strict regulations to ensure safe and environmentally responsible operations. Many of these regulations address infrastructure integrity, including protection against erosion. Understanding erosion mechanisms helps operators meet these regulatory requirements and avoid penalties or shutdowns. This e-learning erosion course covers the relevant standards such as API RP14E, and teaches participants how to apply these guidelines effectively. This ensures that companies comply with legal and regulatory requirements, helping them avoid fines, shutdowns, and other penalties. Advancements in technology and predictive models. As research in erosion progresses, such as the methodologies developed at the University of Tulsa and the limitations of standards like API RP14E, it becomes increasingly important to incorporate advanced models and predictive tools into erosion management practices. These tools can provide more accurate predictions of erosive wear and allow operators to take proactive steps to mitigate erosion before it causes significant damage. This eLearning erosion course helps professionals stay up to date with the latest technologies, modeling tools, and mitigation techniques, ensuring they can apply the most current methods to predict and manage erosion in real-world scenarios. In summary, this eLearning erosion course is essential because it provides participants with critical knowledge to ensure industrial systems' integrity, safety, and efficiency. By understanding erosion mechanisms, participants can make informed decisions about design, materials, operations, and maintenance, improving asset longevity, reducing costs, and ensuring compliance with industry standards. The course also equips professionals with skills that enhance career opportunities and help organizations manage risks and operate more effectively. This eLearning course discusses the topics shown here.